very happy about the response the Honorable Prime Minister has got in France, in Germany, and also in Canada. These are all historic. Canada, Indian Prime Minister is visiting Canada after a gap of 42 years. The rousing reception the Prime Minister of India got is an indication of the importance of India today in the world affairs. It's really very heartening to note that the Prime Minister has brought India to the international focus. The amount of enthusiasm shown by the Indian community living in those countries is something historic. And the recognition and the respect for India is going up. Now it's a resurgent India. People want to invest in India. People are discussing, debating India. India is in the focus. And the amount of importance that has come to India can be noted by the signed article written by the American President, Sri Barack Obama, in the Times magazine, something historic. A Prime Minister who has come into office only 10 months back, getting this much international importance and recognition is really great. We all feel proud of our Prime Minister. Indians here feel proud of our Prime Minister that he is able to put India on the international map, focus and attention. And also, now the climate has changed. People want to invest in India. People want to invest in India, want to do business with India. So this is as per the aspiration of the people of India. Sri Modi has taken initiative and he has gone to number of major countries. The idea is, first is neighboring countries, SAARC countries. Then is focusing on the Western countries and then the other countries also, so that India gets its due. That's what Honorable Prime Minister is doing. I'm happy about the response, particularly yesterday you have seen what happened in Canada, such a massive turnout, and then the way people are shouting and jostling to see the Prime Minister, meeting him, greeting him. It's really a great moment in the history of India. Now, as I told you, the country wants development. People's agenda number one, development, 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 and good governance, delivery system. PM has assured the nation his priority will be development, development and development only. ప్రతిపక్షాలను కోరుతున్న దయచేసి అపోహలు సృష్టించొద్దు, తప్పుడు ప్రచారాలు చేయవద్దు, నిర్మాణాత్మక సలహాలు చెప్పండి, ప్రభుత్వానికి చేయూతనివ్వండి, దేశం యొక్క భవిష్యత్ దృష్ట్యా అభివృద్ధిని అడ్డుకోవద్దు. ఇది నా వినమ్రమైన ప్రార్థన. యాజ్ ఎ పార్లమెంటరీ అఫైర్స్ మినిస్టర్, ఐ హ్యావ్ ఎ వెరీ హంబుల్ రిక్వెస్ట్ టు ఆల్ పొలిటికల్ పార్టీస్, ప్లీజ్ డోంట్ క్రియేట్ అబ్స్టకల్స్.